Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Welcome to my channel. So as you see by the title, we are homeless. So right now, let me just, catch y'all up on stuff. So Hurricane Helene came and wiped us out, okay? There were some people who died during the storm. There were some people, cars got crushed. Things happen. As you can see, most of everything I own is in the back seat. And right now we're getting help. I'm not gonna say how, but we're getting help with hotel. So that's kind of a relief. It's been very hard, just trying to manage, just trying to just stay afloat for me and my little family. I swear. It's like every time I go through a situation, I see who my real friends is and I see who they are. People act like they want to do stuff for you. People act like they care, but in actuality, they really just being nosy. Let me see if this light will help. I think that made it glare. In actuality, they just want to be nosy and know what you're doing and tell you what you're not doing and judge you. Right now, this hurricane has left us without a home. And I'm just glad that we have some assistance that can help us out. Right now, we're at our motel and we just traveling right now. Me and the kids, we just traveling. This has been a hard transition for me and the kids. It's very stressful. When I say it is very stressful, it's very stressful, man. Like nobody wants to go through this. You know what I'm saying? And it's just like, friends that I thought I had, people that I thought I had, I don't have. And, people say, oh, well, you just want attention. Never wanted it. Like I said, I don't want no attention. This is not something to brag about. This is my actual life. Like, I've been on my own since 14. No family support. No mom, no dad, no nothing. Not even support from my kids' offsprings. I'm going to just say that. It's been all on me. You feel me? And, everybody got a story. Everybody got a story, but it's how you play your story. You know what I'm saying? I look at my life as a movie. Okay? Every day I'm the star because I make it happen. And for those people that have been really selfish towards me, or, like, I understand if somebody can't do something, but to sit here and know that you have it to help someone, and I'm not talking about money or anything like that, you know what I'm saying? Like, help somebody else, and, you'll get your reward in the end because you open your heart to help somebody else. Don't ever think that you're too good to help someone else. People be like, oh, I wish I could help you. Oh, I wish I could do this. Oh, I wish I could do that. Stop wishing and just do it. Like, if that's what's in your heart, Do it. Don't sit there and wish it coulda, woulda. Ask somebody if they need help and then not help them. But y'all, I'm gonna just be doing some DoorDash today. Going to our next location and just toughing out this journey, okay? So I will show you guys our next placement. So stay tuned. Hey everybody, so we are right here at the Mexican flea market, which is pretty big. Say hey, you guys.
Hi.
Hey. So this is our first time being here. Y'all, my anxiety. I'm gonna try to take these kids to see this stuff. I'm gonna try, but my anxiety.
On a love like night, this R&B.